Happening this weekend and tomorrow is an event to check on your heart health. We have Dr. Bipin Ravindran with Henry Ford Health joining us. This is the first time that this event is being held in Jackson, but the event actually began in 2005. What is the significance behind this event?
Well, it's a heart healthy event for the community, and the purpose of this event is really to provide heart healthy screening, easy access for patients. We want to give back to the community, get people on the right path if they have questions, if they have any concerns of symptoms. But really, it's also just a point of care that you can just come in, make sure things are going well for you. And we're going to offer some screening tools, such as checking the BMI. We're going to check your weight. We're going to give an EKG. And you're going to get to meet with a provider to give you that follow-up information and make some recommendations.
What is the importance in getting these screenings and testing out different pieces of your heart to make sure that you are healthy?
Well, Taylor, that's a great question. And the reason it's important, let's take a patient who doesn't even have symptoms of concern. Well, these are some key points that might trigger further testing, evaluation, or prompt you to see your primary care provider, not even necessarily a cardiologist, sooner so that we can take preventative measures. I mean, the best medicine is prevention, Taylor.
When someone goes into this screening, how do they know which test to get?
Well, at this event in particular, we're going to offer patients a free blood glucose track. We're going to check your blood pressure. We're going to do a BMI assessment incorporating your weight and height and make some nutritional suggestions. At the end of that visit, along with taking all this information, your EKG, your blood pressure, glucose check, your weights, we're going to offer you recommendations. And recommendations could be anything from you need to see your primary care provider to check your blood pressure again because maybe it's a little high. Perhaps we'll make nutritional suggestions such as maybe you need to reduce your caloric intake, reduce salt intake because maybe you've put on some extra weight. Everyone needs a little nudge and maybe that'll be all it is. Or maybe you'll tell us some symptoms you didn't think was concerning and that would prompt an earlier visit to a cardiologist. Or perhaps with your EKG, we can see something that is subtle that might explain symptoms such as, well, I've been a little short of breath lately when I'm walking up the hill or walking up the stairs or doing laundry, and that would prompt further investigation or coming to see us or another cardiologist to help with next steps.
And this health screening with Henry Ford in Jackson is coming up Saturday, April 18th. Again, that is tomorrow from 7 to 11 in the morning. This is happening on the campus of Henry Ford Jackson Hospital in the Anderson building in Jackson. No pre-registration is required and getting screened is free. Dr. Ravindran, thank you so much for joining us on Mid-Michigan Matters.
Thank you so much, Taylor.